Cryptocurrencies are about to go prime time. All right. Now, Kevin Connolly, you may know from the TV show Entourage, where he played the character Eric, is making a TV show about cryptocurrencies. Now, Connolly hopes that the show can open up a notoriously complicated subject for the public. He said, "The thing that scares people about crypto is a lack of understanding. People like myself are still learning, but the curiosity is there." To see a primetime crypto show could be huge. We're going to watch the trailer real quick, and then I'm going to give you some of my thoughts on the idea of this show.
So what type of film are you reading for?
What if we built our own company?
You know rappers like to rock chains, rock blockchains, knock 'em out the box, I'm on Doc's main. Key ring full of water.
Right now, my dreams are all about deals and dollars.
Blow the mind like a creeper one time in my circus divine. A fine way to keep the power bill in check. My equipment is starting to sweat from the heat. Crypto anarchy becoming a threat. So you know rappers like to rock pools. I got fools who can't swim in, but I'm collecting a spice like a Fremen. So you fools get stepping and get to choosing your weapon because the definite roar of indefinite war is epic. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm scaring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul to flow. In the algorithm, gonna get him until prison. Send us all to prison, and that's a nerdy living. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm scaring the
If we have to bend a few rules here and there, it's all for the greater good.
and that's a nerdy living.
Okay, so the trailer's a bit of fun. Let's discuss it. The good, the bad of having a cryptos primetime TV show. Something along the veins of what Entourage was doing. The good, this is great exposure for cryptocurrencies overall. It's going to present a lot of topics. It's going to explain things to people. Millions of people are probably going to learn about cryptocurrencies because of this TV show. The sponsorship opportunity is going to be ridiculous. Everyone's going to be, even more people are going to be getting on Coinbase. I'm sure Coinbase will be sponsoring the shows. You'll see ledgers in the show and all this stuff. And great sponsorship opportunities for those companies, but also, again, you're showing people how to go and get the cryptocurrencies. You're showing people how to store the cryptocurrencies. You're going through whole scenarios. I'm sure there'll be a crypto jacking episode where somebody gets hacked and they're like, "You should have got a ledger, bro." That's great. It's educational, if they make it educational. That's the if, of course. Now, it could end up going bad, potentially. It could really show the wrong side of the industry, you know, starting an ICO, making millions of dollars, getting a bunch of Lamborghinis, going to parties, spending up a bunch of investor money, not delivering a product, delaying your deadlines, all that fun kind of stuff. Conspicuous consumption, got to buy a bunch of stuff. It's probably going to be a bit of that too, if it's anything like Entourage was, of course. Should be entertaining, nevertheless. But there is that glorification of just getting rich above all else. I hope it doesn't go too far the way. There's so many fun things they could do with this in terms of educating people, but also in terms of just entertaining people and having a lot of fun. You know, Bitcoin versus the government, man. Down with the man. There's that. That could be a thing. So really, really curious to see their angle. The trailer doesn't really give us too much idea of what the show's really going to be like. We're going to have to see the pilot episode or the pilot season, I think, to really get a good idea and a good grasp on this. It could be so cool if it is done well, because showing the power of cryptocurrencies, showing how useful cryptocurrencies are, showing the awesome investment potential of cryptocurrencies, so many ways they can make this show insanely awesome. And I hope that's what they go for. According to the website, it seems like they're going for the awesome angle versus like the just, you know, get Lambos, get rich, and all this fun stuff. There's probably gonna be some of that too. But if they can focus on the power of cryptocurrencies, it could send a very strong message to the people watching that show why crypto's awesome. And then they go to Coinbase and buy some. Winning. So many things happening for adoption right now. It's great. Now, this is not the first time that we've seen the idea of cryptocurrency related media coming out. HBO's Silicon Valley, for example, frequently talks about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and ICOs and stuff like this. And it can be good for mainstream knowledge. A lot of that stuff's really usually happening in a very joke kind of context. So perhaps the TV show Cryptos from Kevin Connolly could focus it more on the power of the technology versus just kind of some fun jokes once in a while. We've already seen a lot of documentaries about Bitcoin. Documentaries are cool. I like documentaries. But you can only watch so many documentaries about why Bitcoin's awesome. And people who don't really know anything about Bitcoin probably aren't going to go out and watch those documentaries, but they might watch a TV show, especially if it's entertaining, if it's, Entourage level entertaining. That could be really cool. And we've also seen quite a few films coming out, particularly based on Bitcoin. None of them have been really big yet, but we do have a movie which is in post-production right now, the one that we mentioned sometime mid-last year with Kurt Russell in it. It's called Crypto. It's coming to theaters near you soon. It's a crime drama thriller about Bitcoin, which should be pretty cool. Again, if it ends up with a nice slant. I'm not looking for propaganda from Hollywood here, guys. It's more the idea of we see what the media does. We see how grossly crypto can be misrepresented. It really seems like the guys behind cryptos, at least now, the intention is to present cryptos in an honest way. And there's a lot of dirty stuff going on in crypto, and they should talk about that too. But I hope they also talk about the good stuff, because we see New York Times and all these different publications come out all the time just making smear jobs, hit pieces on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for a million different reasons. To have some kind of good message out there about what crypto is, an honest view of it, would be pretty awesome. An entire TV series, especially if it ends up being multi-season. And I could really see how they could do a multi-season TV series, because there's so much going on in crypto all the time. Could have guest appearances from Vitalik and Justin Sun and Charles Hoskinson and all these guys. Yeah, it'd be a good time without a doubt. Now, they claim to be in the process of producing the first 10 episodes with the hope of being picked up by Netflix or Amazon. Again, if they get picked up by Netflix, huge. Could be an absolutely huge show. Taking crypto, just total household name kind of level of stuff. So this could be a big driver in making crypto go mainstream. At this point, how anyone can think that cryptocurrency is just going to disappear and go away forever. Are you paying attention to what's going on? It's becoming so mainstream, it's crazy. They're making a TV show about cryptocurrencies. That's nuts. And kind of awesome at the same time. Anyway, just my 2 Satoshis on it. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about cryptos? Are you going to go watch this TV show? Let me know about it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are super awesome, so thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come over here and watch this video. If you are new around here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to know when I put out a new video, hit that notification bell down below. A thumbs up on this video would also be much appreciated. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.